Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Joseph and you are watching Coins to Dollars. तो आज मैं आपको अपनी एक ट्रेड दिखाने वाला हूँ जो कि हिंदाल्को इंडस्ट्रीज में थी. It was an intraday trade where I booked 3.5 rupees per stock and this trade was made within 20 minutes. So let's quickly just jump into the trade. So looking at this chart, what I can see are two patterns. One is here and one is here. If you're not able to understand the charts, don't worry, it will take a while. You need some experience और धीरे धीरे आप भी पैटर्न्स आराम से ढूंढ लोगे मेरी तरह. And see, this is the another one which I am able to see. All right. See this. तो हमने इसे वन डे टाइम फ्रेम पे एनालाइज करके निकाला है. अब हम क्या करेंगे? We will go to 1 hour time frame to check if we can get any more patterns. First we need to adjust this so that आप कंफ्यूज ना हो जाओ. So I see this. In fact आप लोगों को भी ये पैटर्न इजीली मिल गया होगा. ये हो. If not, I'll just help you out in all these things. And the second thing which I found was this. And one more. See this. So few minutes back we were not able to understand the pattern or the movement of this stock, but after drawing the trend lines, so now we can clearly understand and see इस स्टॉक ने किस तरीके की मूवमेंट की है पास्ट डेज में. हमने विद इन अ फ्यू मिनट्स अबाउट 1.5 मंथ्स के चार्ट को एनालाइज कर लिया है. So this is what knowledge can do. Let's quickly get back to where we were. After this, I went to 15 minutes time frame to check if I can get something else, but all I got was this, and so I waited. The market was somewhat here when I started watching it, so I was just patient and I was watching the market. Then I switched to 5 minutes time frame just in case if I was missing out on something, and I'll just show you what I got. I was able to find this and this. Alright, see what I was able to find. Just zoom in. So now I saw this. Let me quickly adjust this. It is a clear expansion channel. See this. This is called an expansion channel. जहाँ पे पहले की स्टॉक एक छोटे प्राइस मूवमेंट के बीच में ट्रेड करती है और उसके बाद लेटर ऑन द प्राइस मूवमेंट इज बिगर. So smaller the opening and larger the exit is called expansion channel. Alright. So first I waited for this breakout to happen. Around these levels I started watching the market, watching the stock. थोड़ी देर के बाद I saw this area, this complete area where I saw the stock has fallen from this point and it is in a retracement or consolidating. So I was waiting for this zone to end, right? So after this breakout, I just waited for the stock to break this line, this smaller time frame channel that I found. and once it fell from here, I will just upload the screenshots of my entry and exit as well for reference. I entered at this candle, but though I should have entered here itself at the start of this candle, this one, but due to some technical errors in Alice Blue, I use Alice Blue for my intraday trades. I was not able to enter here, but I entered somewhat here, right? And then see what happened. So this is what I was facing at that time. This candle was the breakout. This candle was my entry, and then see, it was moving around my entry. First I went to a profit, then I went to a loss. Clearly you can see here. I will just mark it so that it is very clear for you. And this was my stop loss. So see what happened. I went in. It gave me a profit at first of about 1 or 2 rupee. Then it bounced back. At once I thought it is going to hit my stop loss, but I waited patiently and see what happened next. See. And I do not remember where my target was, but I exited in this candle itself. Yeah, it was in this candle, around this price point. See next what happened. It went up, went down, and then again went down, and later on this has happened. And here is where the market closed. So I was able to book a profit of about 3.35 or 3.50 rupees per stock. I'm not going to attach the profits that I have made, but I will attach the entry and exit in this trade. So right now I just want to tell you that before you enter in the stock market, please invest some time in studying, because without studying or without a proper knowledge, आपको पता ही नहीं होगा कि आपको कब एंट्री लेनी है, कब एग्जिट लेनी है, और मार्केट आपसे क्या कहना चाह रही है. You will just keep on fighting with the market, thinking that one day you will win, and that one day will never come. You will always be in a loss, and you will always keep on wondering कि आपने गलती कहाँ पे की है. मैं अगर आपको एक्सप्लेन करूँ इस ट्रेड के बारे में, this trade is so easy that within 10 minutes I was able to book this much, right? Why? Because I knew what I am doing. मुझे पता था पहले से कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ. मैंने एंट्री ली इस पॉइंट पे, मैंने क्यों ली एंट्री, मुझे इसके बारे में पता था. I put my stop loss here. Why did I put it here? मुझे ये पता था. But अगर मैं without anything, without studying, look at the charts now. What do you understand? Nothing. I don't see anything. अगर मेरे पास कुछ भी नॉलेज नहीं होती तो मुझे कुछ समझ ही नहीं आता. Maybe I would have gone long here. Maybe I would have shorted here, somewhat here, and ended up giving money to the market instead of taking money from it. But मुझे पता था कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, जिसकी वजह से I was so confident in this trade that even after I started to go in a loss, initially when I entered the trade, I was holding to it. But बहुत लोग उस point पे panic हो जाते हैं. A lot of people panic there, and what they do, see this, right? This was where I entered. Yeah. So बहुत लोग इस point पे पैनिक हो जाते, एग्जिट ले लेते, स्टॉप लॉस हिट होने के डर से वो पहले ही निकल जाते, और बाद में उन्हें पता चलता है कि भाई मार्केट ने तो क्लियर ब्रेकआउट दे दी है, और वो बाद में बहुत दुखी होते हैं इस बात की वजह से. So this is what I want to tell you. First go educate yourself. First go understand how the things work. क्या क्या वो चीज हैं जो आपको समझ में नहीं आती हैं, क्या क्या वो चीजें जो लोग आपको बताते नहीं है. First go and find it out, and then come to the market, so you will be profitable and you will be able to understand what you are doing. Because there is a very famous saying of Warren Buffett. He said, you only fear what you don't understand, and this is what he meant. So thank you so much for watching. If you like the content, hit like, subscribe and press the bell icon, as well as share the channel, क्योंकि मैं अभी YouTube पे नया हूँ. I need your support. I'll keep uploading new videos. आपको कुछ भी डाउट्स हो, कुछ भी क्लियरेंस चाहिए, या फिर कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम होती है ट्रेड करने में, तो आप प्लीज मेंशन इट इन माय कमेंट्स. I will try to revert back